that together we can make a great learning experience. So wishing all of you a wonderful week ahead, so that when on the 6th day in the valedictory we once again meet, no doubt we shall be meeting every day, but when we meet with a treasure house of knowledge, with a treasure house or a bag full of innovative ideas, we shall be beaming with that we have definitely learned something new, by virtue of which we can make the planet a better place, a utopian planet for the coming generations.
So big shout out to the resource persons who have joined from various parts of the globe for this particular day.
Alone we can sing, but together we can talk. Individually we can do a lot, but together we can do so much and create history. This 6-day online ATAl FDP is an excellent initiative by HMV to create awareness among young minds about sustainable innovative practices that can help us optimize the use of resources, reduce waste, promote remote work and virtual collaboration for a better future.
Respected Madam Principal, dear colleagues and all the participants, a warm welcome to all of you on this online ATAl FDP, where the participants from the different parts of the country are participating, and I am here having a duty to introduce you with all the rules and regulations and information about this FDP.
And Dr. Seema Khanna has just told you about 80% attendance. I'm sure you'll all be there with 100% attendance, because the learning is the most important thing, and let us hope that you gain the maximum out of it. And Ma'am Principal, we are so thankful to you for sparing your time. And
so yeah, thank you so much to the organizers for inviting me to be part of this Hans Raj Mahila Maha Vidyalaya 6-day online faculty development program, and I'm really honored to be the first one opening. So there are a lot of high expectations. I hope I don't disappoint, and I hope this will be something where it's not just you learning, but I'm going to be learning from all of you also. Work harder than others. There's no substitute to that. I remember when I moved from Brunei to Singapore, my PhD supervisor, my honors, and then who became my PhD, was like, Asif, you come from a place and where you didn't have that many opportunities compared to what Singaporean kids had. You have.
But children are encouraged to be innovative in sustainable way and are taught to connect with nature. However, in today's race, for more and more conveniences, we have exploited science to the extent of that it's now turning into a curse.
So sustainable innovation refers to the process by which companies develop new products, services, processes, or business models that contribute to environmental and social sustainability while also generating economic value.
Now even the Copyright Act does not talk about AI, but then Copyright Act can be used to regulate the copyrighted work. Patents Act, Contract Act, one of the most important laws, Contract Act, and that is where all of us would be affected. Whenever we use any app using AI, we give consents. You download an app on your mobiles, which is using artificial intelligence, which is collecting our locational data and then giving us recommendations that you do this, you do that. It is using our own data and we are giving the consent.
27 sector. So what was the 27 sector and why they focused in this 27 sector? Before Make in India, India was considered top supplier in the service sector. However, we were lag in the manufacturing sector.
Just rush through it so that I can come to the criminal aspect of this. As we understand, there are various cyber crimes. When we say cyber crime, that means it's a crime which is committed ordinarily against a computer resource. Computer has been defined very widely. If you see section 2D of the Information Technology Act, computer resource, computer applications, mobile, computer network, all these have been defined very widely.
Apart from simplifying the laws, Indian government started providing some kind of funds to the Startup India creators. They create a corpus around 10,000 crore rupees.
Because everyone is operating and working from home, so it is complete digitalization which have resulted in saving of time, more influencing. It is all added to this. So digital transformation can be of various segments.
And this is what it is. Improvement in South America, South Asia, Southeastern Asia. Hunger has increased in Northern Africa. These countries are not developing. These countries don't have networking. These countries are not adopting to what you call technology. These countries are not spending onto infrastructure. And henceforth, hunger has increased. Wherein countries where development is more, technology is more, and henceforth education has improved, perhaps the improvement is there.
Mostly every country has now become the part of these sustainable development goals, and every country is working upon to achieve those targets, and the targets have been met by many countries, and they are working extremely well.
So sustainable is something that is everlasting, that is here to stay. And entrepreneurship is not only about new brands or new entrepreneurs. It is about all the existing brands, also all the existing companies that are there. They have to be sustainable now. We need to come out of the old school practices, and we need to think about for a better future.
Artificial intelligence is about both studying as well as building or constructing these smart machines that can do the right thing. Okay.
If business really want to survive and grow in the future, there is no other option than to left with the sustainable business practices. They include a variety like reducing environmental footprints, such as adopting energy efficient technologies.
Just want to thank you HMV for organizing such a knowledgeable sessions.
I think at HMV it has already taken strong steps towards sustainability, and this FDP further inspires us to strengthen those practices. So thank you. It was a great learning experience.
All the teaching and technical staff of Hans Raj Mahila Maha Vidyalaya, Jalandhar, for organizing such an amazing, transformative and enriching FDP. I have attended 9 ATAl FDPs, and really this was one of the best FDPs. Really it was a great and inspiring FDP. Thank you one and all. Thank you.